Hi, I have a box from Amazon. So you might like to join me. I'm sure they make these impossible for me to open. Not doing so good yet, am I? Okay, inside we have Floodlight. It's the LED floodlight. It's got information on the side. LED floodlight again. And more information on the side. Okay, 1 second. This is what you have inside. It's from NetBoat. Little information leaflet there. Got a nice little remote control. I love those cute things. I must have 100 around the house, but they are cute. Tells you how to use it in there. And this itself is the floodlight. It has a stand here, which you can alter. Oh, my boxes are falling. Which you can alter depending on where you want to put it, obviously. But that would stand up. That would be really nice in the ground, say by a driveway, by a path, to illuminate it. So when you come up the street, you can see it. If you're driving up, all you got to do then is press on, and the light will shine and show you exactly where you should be going, so you're not going to be driving somewhere else. You don't have to keep it on all the time, which is a great idea because you got this, and that'll, you just, as you're getting closer, you just turn it on, everything is illuminated. I can plug it in and I shall show you what it looks like. We should have got this ready beforehand, but there you go. Yeah. Now that is really bright. I don't know if you can tell, but that's extremely bright. Oh, knocking my mouse around. It's very bright. That's great, isn't it? So you've got this really bright light, you're shining it up the path, or over the garden, showing your plants off, whatever you want to do with it. But it's ideal because you've got the remote control and you can turn it off. Let me see if it works. I'm not pressing it right. Oh, it's got batteries in it, haven't it? Of course I have. No. Maybe. Yeah, I think it must have to have a battery in it. Oh, that's a shame. But there you go, you can see it anyway. And that's very, very bright. Absolutely lovely in the garden. So I am going to be using it for my drive and pathway because it gets really dark at night. and because you've got the remote control with it, you don't have to either go up and plug it in or turn it on or whatever. It's already there. Just, you know, press the remote control and you're going to be using it. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.